Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I'm getting my braces. It's currently 7:06 and it's a Friday, so I booked today off to get my braces on. So I just thought I'd pop in to give a bit of background. So the main reason why I'm getting my braces done is because of these two front teeth that I like to call bunny/mouse teeth sometimes because they are pushed a bit forward. And when I smile, sometimes I've noticed in a couple of pictures, I'm like, this you can see it, and on the side you can see it as well. So that's the main reason. But also because I'm not sure if you remember from my previous video, I did remove my last molar and I have the wisdom tooth back there, but it has started moving this tooth forward because that tooth is missing. Because I did want to get braces back in 2017 as well, because I did notice they were quite forward. By the time I was not at this stage to get braces, we're still in college and all that. So, but now I think it's just time to get it. My sisters have got them as well. So, and also because I have been noticing some pressure sometimes when even when I talk, sometimes I do this without I even realize, and I push on these two teeth. And also sometimes I have pressure here. And I think also because since the teeth behind are blocked, I'm not even able to floss that side well or brush it well, and it can cause build up as well. So once my teeth are all nice and straight, I can brush them nice and well, and that pressure will be gone, and it's just, I just want straight teeth. So, and also this is moving, so I'll have retainers and it will stop moving, all that jags. My orthodontist is actually based almost 2 hours away from me, but because I did have a consultation with an orthodontist that was closer. However, they gave me such a quote that was enormous, and that's not even the main thing. I mean, I had to pay for the consultation, which is fine or whatever. The place was beautiful, so aesthetic. They have the diffuser going on. It was just like a spa kind of place, but it was an orthodontist place. So it was nice. However, after I had the consultation, they said I needed 5 fillings before I could get braces on. They're like, the foundation is important. You need, to make sure your teeth are nice and healthy and all that stuff. And it was so weird to me because I went to the dentist not too long ago, maybe I think more than 6 months ago, yes, but they said everything was fine. So it came such as a shock that I needed to get so many things done. So I was reluctant when I left there. And the fee that they gave me was enormous. For a filling, they were charging a lot, and I had to get 5 based on what they were saying. So after that, I was a bit, I'm not too sure about them. They were also talking about bonding and things like that. So I think for them, it was more about having aesthetic teeth instead of straight, which is what I just want a straight teeth. I don't want all that jazz. Because my sister also went to them for a consultation some time ago, and they also told her she needed filling, when in reality, my older sister, she flosses, she brushes, she doesn't eat too many sweets. So it was how can she need fillings? So she changed orthodontist then at the time. But long story short, I was like, no, I'm not going with them. I went to another orthodontist where the consultation was free, which is also my sister's orthodontist. I decided, since you do have a couple of fillings here and there, maybe just go to the dentist to make sure you get ahead for braces. So I went to my dentist, and my dentist said everything is fine. And then they only said maybe get a cleaning. One thing I also say at that point is make sure you go to a couple of consultations just to double check and check with the dentist as well. Because if I did decide to go with the other orthodontist, man, the fee they were charging is I just want braces, I just want straight teeth, I just don't want all this stuff. So stay tuned, and I'll see you later. Hi guys, I'm at the orthodontist with my sister. Hi guys, so I'm back home. I'll tell you more after, but I'm just having some kebab meat and chips just now until the pain starts. So I have no pain now, but I'll update you more about what happened after. So, hi guys, so I'm back home, and yes, I got my braces on. Got to here and here. And I chose grey because I think it looks I like the natural look kind of thing. I'm not sure if I get a color, but I have to keep on mine on for 8 to 12 weeks. So my next appointment is in May. So it's quite far away. I don't have any pain at the moment. I did take paracetamol just before I left the house. So I'm not sure if that's why, but my sisters who did get braces, they said the pain will start a bit later on at night. So I will keep you updated with me throughout these first few days. If I do this, no pain whatsoever. It's not scratching my mouth at all. Like, I don't think I'll ever need wax, to be honest. wax. I don't have a lisp, so things look too promising at the moment. I mean, obviously sometimes I feel like doing this. If I sound like this, then it's how to control like this. But you can feel there's something in my mouth. But honestly, I'm loving them. Like, they look so cute, I think. Guys, just something quick I forgot to mention. I was actually given this pack from my orthodontist, so I'm just going to show you what is inside. And also, because since I've been referred by my sister, I was given a £25 voucher, Amazon voucher, that I would use to buy a water flosser. We have this product. I think it's, yeah, this is to rinse your mouth. Then you get this toothpaste, care protection for orthodontics, appliance wearers, healing and pain strips. This is like the mirror to check your teeth inside. You have a timer, a toothbrush, another kind of toothbrush. I'm not sure what that's for. These cleaning tools to go inside. Wax. Putting this back. Guys, just jumping in. Today is day 2. I went to the gym this morning. I had like some muffins with tea and milk, and honestly I have no pain. Like, I can feel the pressure, yes, but I mean, I feel like when I bite down, this feel a bit weight, but like, it's nothing really. Like, there's no pain really. I'm starting to wonder whether they're actually working or whether they're going to work. But yeah, I love them so much. It looks so cute. It's just, I don't know, they're so beautiful. So I'm having some tomato soup anyway, because even though I did have muffin this morning, I didn't really bite, like proper bite on them like I would without braces. So just like they kind of melted in my mouth with the tea and the milk. So I'll try to bite a bit down. I've got some tomato soup, and I've made some würstel and some eggs. Not much of a girlfriend. I never seem to get along.
Okay, that's all. I'm gonna put this on.
Nope. Update. So while I do struggle a bit to eat, to be honest, to bite down, I've been eating using my gums at the back of my teeth. I've noticed that one of the wires is not poking my mouth for some reason, which it wasn't doing before, but I'm kind of excited about it. I mean, so maybe something is happening. Well, I think it's this wire here. It's poking the inside right here. I think it's that wire, but like, it keeps getting stuck in here and it's scratching it. So I'm gonna use some wax, which is exciting. So yeah, overall I don't have any pain apart from that, except when I bite down. But I feel like my bite has changed a bit here. I have fresher here as well on the back teeth, even though there's no wires. Popped the hat on because my hair is looking a bit nicer. So yeah, I've got the wax. Not sure how it works, so just open it here. Wait, what's this? Dental placing tablets. What's the name? This is not the wax. Doesn't sound that seem like wax, so I don't think it is. It wasn't the wax, but like no tablet, and I think it's the ones that you put in your mouth to check when you need to brush. Little piece. Just put it on this wire here, right here. I'm just eating some watermelon, just melting it in my mouth. I do have to finish it, so I have to take the wax off. I'll finish my watermelon, and after we go to bed out, because I'm going to church tomorrow. This is day 3, and I have no pain again. The reason why that's poking me, like I said yesterday, it is this sun down here. I just came back from church, so I didn't really put a wax. I might do if it keeps bothering me too much, but apart from that, I ate muffins today this morning. I just melted my mouth with milk, so yeah, oh good. It's actually not that bad. Hi guys, this is day 4, and I'm still kind of struggling to eat. I really tried to bite down on this, but my teeth are just too sore. So having to bite at the back, but not these because this still hurts. Sorry, but I do have soup and boiled eggs. I prepared some vegetables that I've been eating, so I'll see if I can manage to chug them in. I've got a bread with Philadelphia and a pesto with spinach and mozzarella, and my tomato soup. So I'll try to eat this. It's not like pain if I don't do anything. It's just when I bite, I can't really bite down because it feels sore if I bite down. Hi guys, so this is day 9. I'm just coming kind of to close the video. So as of like, I can still feel some sensitivity in my teeth when biting certain foods certain foods. I can basically eat here, but I think there's a tooth here that has like it's still kind of like I don't know, seems like it's I don't know how to explain it, but it's like the one where there's a little bit more pain when eating down. This one has so much pressure, and this one's in the past 2 days. I can't still bite down like this with the front teeth, but I do like kind of, if I have to eat meat, I'll just take it pieces by pieces and just shove it in my mouth. So things are bad. So to be honest, I never, if I don't do anything, I don't have any pain whatsoever. Even if I do this, oh wait, I don't have pain, but I noticed that this two teeth, this and this seem to be touching, and my bite is different. But unless I don't push it, actually, guys, now you know what? Tonight when I was sleeping, I'm not sure what happened with my mouth, but then there was like a sudden friction between these 2 teeth. So I think these 2 are moving in a way that's they're a bit scratching if I bite hard. But to be honest, all the pain is painful here and there. Like, I feel like it was just like I can't say it was exaggerated, because my experience will be different from other people, and my teeth are different, my gums are different, all that stuff. But it's definitely way better than I thought. I just came back from like an event, so I just thought, let me finish the video looking a bit presentable. But I just didn't think there's any point continuing with the video. Maybe I might do like a catch up in some months when I have my tightening, but it wasn't too much of a bad experience. I can basically eat most foods. Just I can't like bite them from the front, and there's still things that I won't be able to eat, such as like, apples, like from the front, like hard things. I probably won't be able to eat them with the braces, but it's definitely better than I thought. So yeah, I just thought comment and close the video, and if you do have any questions, then pop them down below. But yeah, day 8, and I'm good. Like I know people try to do this, like it's really alright. Like this side, the sound exercise just this one feels a bit weird, but and these two still a bit. But yeah, apart from that, all good, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.